Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OnePlus 30 and I want to show you how fix the problem when you have connected with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose settings option. In it, family, parental controls, and as you can see now we have page 3. To visible game or applications Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental controls, and we can change it from maybe page 3 to allow all included underrated, config by coded, and save. Now your old game or and application Google Play Store will be visible. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And we can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, bye!